Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at Juno from a technical point of view. And let's get right into the chart. We're looking at the daily. We're going to look at a bigger time frame. We don't have a ton to work with, so technically a little more difficult. But what we're seeing on these charts is it's pretty good. So let's go right into it. We're going to do an upper trend line. We're going to do a lower trend line. Right now we've been going up and down in this channel. Let's go, let's put a Fibonacci in there. I'm going to go from a couple different areas. This one here, let's take a look at this. We're holding on to that fib right there, I believe. When we close below the 50 MA, let's zoom in a little bit. We're watching this close on Friday. To let everyone know, I'm not in this equity, I'm just looking at it. I know it comes across a lot, so I'm just hopefully helping somebody look at this from a technical point of view and say, wow, you know what, this thing could go down or this thing can go up. But what we're looking for on this, on the 50 MA and the 20 MA, we close below on a daily basis, so on Friday. So if we close below that on Monday, we're probably heading down to this trend line and we're going to see if that's going to hold. We have a gap fill right here. So we have a gap fill and we have the trend line and we have a little bit of a pivot as well. So we have a little bit of support there. If it starts going up too, we have this fib, we have this level. This little pivot, yeah, you could probably go back. Let's go back. Pretty much right there. So that's what we're looking at too. So we have a resistance going up. We got this little high here. So again though, we're in this pivot. So anything can happen. We could go straight back up again. I don't know when earnings. I wouldn't play it before earnings because it could go either way. But you got support there, support down here. The gap fill. So either way, we close technically, that's bearish right there. We close below the MAs, not good. Let's look at it. I don't think yeah, same thing on a weekly. Other than, let's go on a weekly. Let's go from down in here with the fib and go up to the top. So we have this as well. This is a good fib. Really haven't hit it yet, and this is a weekly chart. So what I like on the weekly though, I like this. Fortunately, it's down and sideways. Not the best. This was the same way though, down and sideways. This pattern failed. We popped straight up into that trend line. But now we're doing the same thing again. So right now we're macro bearish, micro bullish, because this is a little bullish pattern here. We start breaking down. We close below the low of this candle, whatever that is right here. If we close below that low, then we got to take a look at this a little bit differently. So from a technical point, it could do anything. As a trader, I wouldn't trade the stock or the company or the equity, whatever you want to call it. So we got a little bit there. If it gets above, I think we can go higher. If it stays below here, it's going to go lower. So it's really we're waiting to see what happens. So anyways, that's Juno. I wish we had more on the chart to look at, but technically I think we're in a weak position. If we get above the MAs, it's going to be a little stronger. Possibly move up into this area and then see some resistance. If it gets up here, then hey, especially here too. There's big resistance there. So anyways, hope that helps somebody out there. Thanks for watching. God bless. See you on the charts.